Hey everybody, my name is Fernando. I just want to take a few seconds and discuss some of the stuff that we heard yesterday. So thank you, Equity Plus, for bringing Cross Country to the office to discuss some of their products. I did want to talk a little bit about ITIN, as well as some of the other programs that they have available. So ITIN is for somebody that does not have papers, somebody that needs that pay taxes, but they're not legal in the country. That's usually what they're used for. Okay, so they do pay taxes, they do pay their fair share. Is that they're just not legally documented here. So there are millions of people throughout the United States that do contribute and has the ability to buy their home and kind of live the American dream. So that is the true facts here. So that gives that person the opportunity to buy that. So if you know somebody, so they're not trying to buy a house through friends or something, they can actually buy it themselves, and they report on their taxes. All you need to be doing, all you need to do is to have been paying your taxes for a year. Okay, you have a minimum of 1 year working. Okay, also. They have to be able to prove that with the employer and so forth, and that's a simple process as well. And I'm trying to remember the other thing. If you have credit or no credit, it's not really an option. So you just pay higher interest if you don't have a credit. The down payment is anywhere between 15 to 25%, I believe it was. So that will help that person. It is a lot higher, but there is the ability to put that action in their name instead of somebody trying to put that either in a friend's name or a family member, and it can get hairy because things change in life. Okay. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Okay. Call me. I'll get you to talk to the right people, so you can able to have them qualify you, and you should be able to close fairly quickly. It's usually about 30-day turnaround, maybe 45, depending on how quickly you want to get in there. All right. Talk to you. God bless.